Dame.
Alright, what's up and welcome back to the channel. So today we are back with the boys, me, Milan, Dago and Landu. So we are trying this trail. So yeah guys, let's go. It's been a while riding with the boys and we don't know where this road leads, but I don't know, man. Let's go. Lame. Alright, man, let's go. Yeah. Man, this is the kind of trail that I was. Hambo, yeah. Alright, one is down. Look, let's go, look. Oh. Look, that is. Oh. Dame. Sacrifice todo. Oh, I don't know, this might be the hardest trail, eh? आज ढाड दुखिरहेको ल दामी Lo, let's go. I had a small injury in my lower back and that is being a trouble in my back today. Yeah. Damn. Alright, here's Landup. Woo! Damn. ठोक देऊ पछाडि.
Damn. Easy, baby. Wrong side. कहिले अड्किन्छ भनेर Two.
Good balance. So this is the section that we have to go. Check this out, man. Now this is going to be very challenging. Alright guys, see you guys in a bit. First, let me check the route first. Landu bhai is here. Damn. Yo college kasari. Now this is gonna be fucking challenging, man. 1, 2, 3, come on, let's go. ए तान्नुपर्छ होला है अब त ठिकै छ ठिकै छ
दामी दामी आरामले 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 हल्का हल्का
We got liches.
देखाउनु पर्यो बाटो पनि सफा गर्दैछ दाले चाहिँ आफ्नो ट्र्याक आफ्नो बाटो छान्यो हो हल्का सफा पनि गरिदिँदैछ हो यहाँ चाहिँ आफ्नो आफ्नो लाइन छानेर जानु पर्यो अब होइन कहाँदेखिको चाहिँ आफू बाइक छिर्ने माथि लेट्स गो एकजना घाँस यता बस्दिनु पर्ने छ ल ओइ ओइ ट्रु ट्रु कहाँ यो बिच मिलन दाको टर्न म चाहिँ योपालि लास्टमा आउने हो दामी दामी कडा 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 विदाउट तेल यहाँसम्म आइपुग्यो अर्को माथि लडिरहेको छ आफू मिलन ल योपालि चाहिँ सबैलाई भनिदिएको होइन तपाईँहरू कमेन्ट पनि गरिदिनुहोस् म चाहिँ लास्टमा जाने हो डिसिजन कस्तो लाग्यो अब चाहिँ योपालि मिलन जान्छ
Let's go. Who's turn? This is the trail, and as you can see over here, this is pretty tough, man. Here we go.
Yo.
This is the Joss. Come on, Joss. Joss, come on. Check out the tire pressure. And got stuck over here. This is the problem with the X-Pulse. The ground clearance is not that good. This is not the rally kit, by the way. If it was rally kit, then it would be very hard. So
for Milan Pradhan.
No. Rally kit चाहिँ तपाईलाई पुरा हार्ड हुन्छ तर rally kit भए त यो ट्रेलहरु कहाँ सक्छ अन्त we cannot do this kind of trails in rally kit. Lovely. No. सिक्यो होला नि
नसिक्ने टाइम चाहिँ आउँछ होला
Let's go. Lovely, lovely.
दामी दामी मैले पनि
Dami, improvise.
अब कताबाट जाउँ
Lovely. I'm break हुन्थ्यो त. Parking, bro. Dami.
यो बाइकमा चाहिँ मेरो
यो
बाइक
चाहिँ दामी
साँच्चै
रहनु,
उडेर
दामी
आएर
रहनु,
घरमै
दामी।
बसेर
Dhago bhai, stone. Let's go. Just check this out.
Skills matter, tire doesn't matter.
Here,
Skills matter, tire doesn't matter.
oh, the train is so great, man. Lo.
लान्डु भाषेकै रे लान्डु गुरुजीको हालत हेर दामी दामी ट्राई टायर पनि
In today's trail, Landup is leading the way. So, Dhago bhai ko jab त्यहाँ तल छ. As he has no grip on his tire, so let's go Landup or a pivot. So this is how you use pivot turn in the trails. See, it becomes very easy.
Unicate run भन्ने गर्दैछ लाइक
Unicate run, right? Lovely.
बाटै रोटी चल्छ
Yes. So this is the section that is making this very difficult. This section. So it's very slippery. So yeah, man. Got stuck over here. Dhago bhai is down there.
जान्छ अब
अलिकति साह्रो
I made it till there, and now Milan is gonna try. And man, I took this route, and the routes are making it a lot difficult. Come on, man, this is freaking hard. Expulse. If it was lighter, then I think we could have made it a little bit further, but we are struggling out over here, so I don't know, man, because of due to the weight. This is the disadvantage of Expulse 200 in the trails. It's very heavy. It's very heavy. 1, 2, 3, go on. ओहो अन्त दुईजनाले सकेको छैन अन्त तै हो दिस इज भेरी हेभी म्यान यो बाइक छ ल्यान्डुपको बाइक हो माथि छ एन्ड अलराइट सो गाइज इट्स अबाउट टु रेन होइन इट्स अबाउट टु रेन and we gotta hurry, we gotta turn the bike and we gotta go. So yeah guys, this trail I think we're gonna come here next time again, and for now we're gonna turn our bike because it's about to rain. And yeah guys, the bike came the furthest today. I think we're gonna skip for this time, so yeah, we are heading back, right? Let's go, let's go. Paddle out. Chal do, mati chal. Let's go. Let's go, boy, Woo! Dame. Nice.
Dami.
Lovely. Batter there. Trying some stoppy.
Go.
La. Clothes छोड़ो ना. No problem. This is Enduro bike.
त्यहाँ साउन्डहरु आउँछ हो के हुँदैन दामी
Bike चाहिँ यहाँ छ. We made it through, yeah.
Oh. आजको हिरो चाहिँ मेरो लागि चाहिँ ल्यान्डुप भाइ हो. दामी ल्यान्डुप भाइ, गुड प्रोग्रेस होइन. द टायर वाजन्ट that good, so we couldn't do the trail today, and we gonna hit this trail once again, on the Dami Milanda. Saw some couple of cool tricks, Milanda ko, technical skills, yanira, त्यसरी चाहिँ इभल्भ हुने हो अब हैन. अब we don't have a proper dirt bike, enduro bike हैन, तर पनि अब we are trying है यो बाइकमा हैन. अनि या त्यही हो. अनि आजको लागि चाहिँ I would like to keep it till here, हैन, until then. Yeah. See you guys in the next vlog, yeah. This trail is crazy. And one of the toughest trails